subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos. Welcome to a beginner's guide, how to buy web hosting. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of purchasing web hosting for your website. Whether you are starting a blog, launching an online store, or creating a professional portfolio, having the right web hosting is crucial. So let's get started. Before we dive into the details, let's briefly discuss what web hosting is. Think of web hosting as renting a space on the internet to store your website's files. It's like having a virtual home for your site, ensuring it's accessible to visitors 24/7. Now let's move on to the first step. To choose the right web hosting, you need to consider your website's requirement, whether you are running a blog or an e-commerce store, or whether you have created your portfolio or an online forum, or you have created a membership website. Countless web hosting providers available. It's important to do your research. Look for reputable companies with positive reviews, reliable customer support, and competitive pricing. Consider factors like uptime guarantees, server performance, and scalability options. Not all hosting plans are created equal. Take the time to compare features such as storage, bandwidth, email accounts, and available add-ons. Consider your budget and future growth plans when selecting a plan. Beyond the basics, some web hosting providers offer additional features like website builders, SSL certificates, and one-click installations for popular platforms like WordPress. These can simplify your WordPress setup and management. Once you have finalized your hosting plan, it's time to make your purchase. Follow the steps provided by your hosting provider to complete your transaction. Pay attention to the payment options available and ensure the checkout process is secure. So here I am going to give you an example of greengigs.com, where you can buy your web hosting in a very reasonable price. So first of all, go to greengigs.com and click on View Plans button. When you will click on View Plans button, you will see all their available plans of web hostings, such as Lite Web Hosting Plan, Pro Plan, and Premium Plan. These plans are available in $2.95 per month, $4.9 per month, and $8.95 per month respectively. You can just read out all the features which will be available in these plans, and then you can select any plan of your choice. Here I am going to select Pro Plan. So just click on the Get Started button. When you will click on this button, you will just get this form where you need to add your domain name. If you have already registered your domain name, then you can add the domain name in the existing domain name box. Otherwise, you need to find out your domain name and you will just write a new domain name in the new domain name box. If you have not seen my previous video on how to find a domain name, then you can just watch that tutorial so that you can find your domain name by yourself. If the domain name is not available, then this website will send you a notification that this domain name is not available. So now I'll just update the domain name and then I will click on the next button again. Alright, now the domain name I've provided is available. So the next step is to add all my account information such as email address, first name, last name, business name, street address, city, country, postal code, and my phone number. After adding all this information, I'll need to select the account plan from the drop-down list. Select the account plan and then add all your payment information such as your credit card. Once you have added your credit card details, just click on Create Account button. You will see the pricing summary on the right-hand corner as well. Just proceed further to submit the payment. After submitting the payment, you will get your hosting plan. Now you can add your domain and subdomains in your web hosting account. So in my next video, I'll just explain you how you can add your domain and subdomains in your web hosting plan and how you can start creating a WordPress website. So now we have learned how to buy web hosting effectively. We considered factors like reliability, support, and pricing. We explored different hosting types and compared plans. Finally, we discussed making a secure purchase. Now you are ready to confidently choose the right web hosting for your website. Good luck on your online journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.